There's your first lady puller for the night. You guys are going to have to cheer her on. She's in a 97 Ford. She'll be driving baby blues. Tell Russ, Marshfield, Missouri. J.R. Butler, Green Forest, Arkansas. I think he has come a very long way to pull up here in Rogersville. And last, Derek Stokes on a 97 Ford. All right, this class has got Fords, Chevys, and a Dodge. Let's hear you guys out there when you see your truck rolling through. Larry Glenn, Seymour, Missouri, 79 Ford Thunder Mug. Larry just went 307 feet even. We'll see if he's going to take that or